Hi all. Let us look into PostgreSQL DB backup strategy. It includes three important areas. Is based on database environment, will depend on mean time to recover and data loss, and it has got various components to consider. Let us explore them in 5 parts. Let us begin the part 1, which is it is based on database environment. Which are those database environment we come across? Okay, so myself, Mohan Kumar, I'll be presenting in detail the characteristics of different database environment which we can use it in PostgreSQL DB environment. Let us explore all those 4 environments which we can consider, which are main database environments. One is OLTP, online transaction processing, generally called as production environment, decision support system, generally called as warehousing environment. We'll have development environment and also the testing environment, generally used for functional testing. Now, when we explore each one of them, OLTP, we can take example of ATM center or mobile banking or net banking. From the point we key in all the information and press OK button to the point it completes the activity is a transaction. So means the characteristics wise, concurrent sessions are more and more users will connect to the database. Concurrent transactions are also very high. Huge volume of transactions will happen. We'll use small portion of the data out of available data. If you consider out of millions of account holders, our account is one account which we work on, and we'll use the data which is available randomly. We'll use it for both write operations as well as read operations, and we'll do short transactions because the amount of time it takes is very short. We call as throughputs. Now, when it comes to the decision support environment, generally called as warehousing environment, decisions are made depending on the reports we're going to get. Characteristics wise, so we'll have concurrent sessions are very few, where various tools will be used. Users using those tools will connect and they will performing transactions. Because of this, very few transactions will happen. And whatever the data available, sourced from different sources. So they'll be sourced from different sources and accommodated in as a staging database. We'll use almost all data, that too sequentially. So almost all data is used sequentially and generally perform read operations, and they do large transactions. Will take minutes. Sometimes it may go to hours also. So based on which the decisions are made. That's why it is called as decision support system. Now, when it comes to development, the characteristics are quite different. Where development databases are used by only few users, we'll have database users, could be double-digit numbers also, and will perform concurrent transactions also less. More the time they will go for working with the structure of the object than data. And if they need data, they go for simulated data or sample data, which can be brought from the production database itself. Now, one more environment is testing, where application testing will be done for functional aspects, whether it is going to work properly when they are doing enhancements. Characteristics wise, again, very few testing users will connect, and they will be testing the functional aspect of the application. They do very less amount of transactions. We'll use it for both write and read operations to verify that everything is working fine. And they use sometimes complete data or sometimes sample amount of data. These are the different type of environment available. Depending on this environment, okay, we have to build backup strategy. Now, backup strategy will also depend on 2 important factors. One is data loss, the other is mean time to recover, which we'll look into that in part 2. Now, it's your time to subscribe, like, and share this video to your DBA friends. Thank you.